Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a short video. I'll be teaching you the fastest way to couple a saxophone. I'll be using an alto saxophone. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that as soon as possible, guys. Okay, yeah, I have my sax still inside the case. So I have to unbox it before any other thing. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, this is the sax. Lovely, right? Wow. This is the body of the sax. So I get this is an alto sax, fairly used, very okay. All right, let's get the neck and the mouthpiece fixed. Yeah, so you get your neck, now your mouthpiece, your reed, so very important. Then your next strap can come later. Let's start with this. You attach your reed to your mouthpiece. Just like this. Place it at the top. Then you fix your ligature to it. Oh, that's the bad way. So you put it the right way. Okay, gently, in order not to break the reed. Right. You adjust it to match it so it can match with the mouthpiece. Right. This is good. Wow. Now I've got my reed attached together on my mouthpiece. Nice. So let's go to the next phase by attaching the mouthpiece to the neck. Just like this. Good. Alright, I have to put on my neck strap, and then attach this to the body of the saxophone. Alright. So while attaching the neck to the body of the saxophone, you do it gently to avoid wear and tear of your saxophone. Sometimes you might have to press down the register key so that it can enter its. So let's go, do it gently. So keys. Yeah. Then put on your neck strap attached to it. Now the saxophone is ready to be played. Yeah. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now.